also cuts it, so you don't have to kind of cut a circle. So like you take this, you can see this is a blade. So you just put it where you want it, stamp this down, and it cuts it. Okay, because this comes off. So in order to cut, I put this on and this, and then I can cut it. And then this just comes off, and then these go back, and it's ready to kind of make the buttons. Okay? And this goes in here. There you go. Okay. So what you do is you put the bottom piece in, and then you put the top.
What kind of material could be the top? Paper?
Paper,
yeah.
Fabric, anything really. And I'm going to line that up so it's straight with these lines. Okay. Now, I set this A right here, and then this. I need to set to A as well. Okay? So A and A. And then this swings around. I'll let you go ahead and pull it. Okay? If it did it right, it disappears. I was worried for a second there. Okay, and then this goes in. Again, we have the lines, right? So we kind of line it up there. And then I change this to B. And then this to B. Okay. And then back around I go. Oh, I forgot to put the plastic on. Oh yeah, and you're supposed to put plastic on it over the top.
Okay.
But it's just as good without the plastic.
Yes, it's perfect. All the sizes always this?
I have 3 sizes.
Yeah.
And so this has 3 different little size settings.
Okay.